Okay everyone, welcome back. Now I'm going to do the unboxing of my Shotbox. So here we go. Oop. This is how it comes packaged, all nice and neat. Things being pre-opened. Must be the hardware in here, so we'll just take a little look at that. Okay, so yes, it's the power adapter. And let's take this out. Okay, these are the backgrounds. So you have one white and one black. Mine will be mainly be white. I don't think I'll ever use the black, but there may be cases where I have to if I have white items and it doesn't come up properly. Okay, we've got a carry tote for it. Section at the back of the carry tote. Some sections in the front as well, a couple of pockets, and the main section. So if I need to go somewhere, I can take my Shotbox with me and use it. Okay, now for the main bit. Okay, I'll just pop this out of the way. Okay, not just yet. Pop that down. And inside, as you can see down the bottom, it is the instruction sheets, and I'll say a bit more to the actual Shotbox itself. Putting that out of the way, and we have it. It's in a couple of different languages, as well as English. Okay, and it's saying first things first, I need to download the app. So I will do that after I've actually finished this unboxing of my Shotbox. So that's for tools, tips, project management, and more at the app. As you can see, this Claire guides are in the bottom of the box along with that. Just take protection from around it. This is a reversible panel floor, so black and white. Get that out of the way. Okay, now to reveal, not that there's much to reveal, actual Shotbox. I will keep the plastic coverings just so I can protect this a bit more. So as you can see, it has the white sides. Oh, didn't mean for that to go down just yet. And it's completely foldable. So this is the base. And he's wanting to go down there. That's not because I'm trying, and I have a feeling we may be upside down. Bring that down. Now it's got a little right on the bottom. It has some directions there. I hope you can see that. And it says main power port. Okay. So that's the main power port, USB, and for the adapter. So down this chain. I don't know if you can see, but just in under here is where the light strips are. There's one on each side. You've got a dial here and the power button just here. So how about I set this up properly? Thinking. This is probably why you need to download the app. Okay, so let's pull this back up. Push it down like that. And read the instructions. Okay, so we've obviously opened it up, we've put the back down. Now we're about to put the reversible floor panel in. So we'll do that. Now, like I said, most of my products will be white, so I'm going to put the white side up. And you slide it in like this. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, it's all sat in there. Now, it says to rotate the support legs. Okay, they're on the side here. Just reach in. There's a little gap at the back for that. This one doesn't see. There we go. Okay, so I've done step 4 of 7. Okay, so at the back it's just letting me know in step 5 about the main power port, and then step 6 is to twist on off for the dimmer, and where to turn it on. So you turn on the dimmer here. This is the dimmer switch. You can hear that click, off, on, and then once I have it lit up, we'll be able to see the different lighting. Okay, and here we have, like I said, this is the light toggle switch actually, so it'll be like on and off. Okay, and then we up the top here, and these 5 squares, I'm sorry, is where you place the camera over on your smart device like your phone or I say your digital camera. So it could be a tablet as well. So that's what it looks like that. And I just need to a side shot port. Okay, I'm going to have to look that one up because we do not know what it is. But it's on the back where the main power port is. Okay, so the backdrops is the word I was looking for before. Okay, I'm going to undo this, and so I really don't want that grid pattern in there. I'm going to pop the white one in. So this is I got it. Yep. Yep. Got all sorts of bits and pieces coming off it. So this is the backdrop. Just have to work out how to put that in. Same in here like this. Somehow. Probably don't want to try and crease this too much either, because you really don't want to be having creases in that when you put your product placement in there. I mean, you could probably use different types of ideas for a backdrop. So this in here. There we go. It has hooks on the back. If you can see over there. Let's pop that in. And now we'll try and bring this roll forward. And just pop it in here, like so. And there you have it. Voila, the Shotbox. So Shotbox is actually trademarked as well. I do not know other than Spotlight where you can actually get this one. I need to download the app so I can place the glare guides in, and I'll be able to just take some photos of that and pop it up on page, or I'll just do a short video for my YouTube channel. So have a great day, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It'd be great to see more people subscribing to my channel. Have an amazing day. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.